missile is developed by DRDO. The abbreviation of DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. The missile total weight is 2536 kilograms. Launched weight is 720 kilograms. The length of the missile 5.78. The owner of the missile, Indian Armed Force. The missile was launched in Chandipur in Odisha, December 5th, 1990.
And the purpose of this missile is to destroy the enemy jets which is heading towards the military base in sky.
This missile is 3 kilometers per second. 3 kilometers per second. The range of this missile is all-weather capability, like snow, wind, fog. If you see here, it contains wings. It can control itself by passing their head in the wind. Here is the here is the fuel. కొంచెం ముందుగా వర్షాలం QRSAM abbreviation, quick reaction surface to air missile. Quick reaction surface to
Astra is a Sanskrit word. Astra means weapon. Astra has A2L missile developed by DRDO, means Defined Research and Development Organization. Astra has BBR technology, means beyond visual range. This range is 110 kilometers, speed 4.5. The speed is per hour 5500. Kgs is 154 and height is 66,000 feet. 154 kgs.
Speed is 4.5. 5,500 kilometers per hour.
5,000?
Yeah. Its range is 110. Range 110. It's designed by DRDO. Designed by DRDO.
Range 110.
designed by. Yeah, please move better.
The middle of the rocket. The speed is 10.17 km per second. Weight is 640 tons. 10.17 km per second. 10.17 km per second.
Move front better, move.
Weight is 640 tons. It stores fuels, hydrogen and oxygen. It is discovered by ISRO.
Indian first satellite.
సాయి అన్నాడు
This is GSLV. It was developed by the ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. It is designed to launch heavy satellite into the space. Its weight is 640 tons. Its height is 43.5 meters. Its speed is 2.60 kilometers per second. Its ratio is 1:20. India Space Research Organization. These are two solid boosters. Cryogenic liquid. The cryogenic consists of two fuels like liquid oxygen and liquid hydrogen.
Any doubts? Okay, move. Is an Aryabhatta satellite.
ASLV satellite, augmented satellite launch vehicle. This is height 23 meters 92.
Ratio 1:2.
Developed by ISRO Indian
Solid boosters. Cryogenic liquid.
They launched in 2018.
Mission life is
10 to 12 years. They launched in 2018.
Aryabhatta satellite. It is our Indian first satellite, and it was launched in the year of 1975. For working of the satellite, it utilizes some of the power, and the power system is up to 46 watts. And the satellite's main purpose is to conduct the scientific experiments and to test the technologies.
Good morning, students. This is an India's first satellite, Aryabhatta satellite. Okay.
Navigation satellite system. The weight is 425 kg. The mission life is 10 to 12 years. They launched in 2018.
Good morning, students. It is India's first satellite, Aryabhatta satellite.
That is the space. It was launched in the year of
1975, April 19th.
ఇంత ముందు జరగండి
1975, April 19th. The weight of the satellite is 360 kilograms. Okay. To operate this satellite, we need some power system. The power system is up to 46 watts. Okay, 46 watts.
July 2013. ISRO.
The lifespan is
7 years. Weight 2100. Useful for disaster management and weathering conditions. It was launched on 26 May 1999. The whole weight of the satellite is 1050 kg.
This satellite helps you understand about the climate changes, weather forecasting, marine ecosystem which is present inside the ocean. It is present between the orbit of Earth and the Sun. It will help you understand what is happening inside the ocean from the space. Okay. So it will help you understand also by the cyclones. If the cyclones are coming, it will predict the cyclone is coming and it will alert you. Thank you.
February 6, 2019, at the place of Caroline Space. The weight mass of this satellite was 2,536 kgs. 2,536 kgs. Lifespan 15 years.
This was launched on November 5,
35,786 kilometers per hour. Speed 35,786 kilometers per hour. The purpose of this satellite was for communication purpose, if you want. This unit.
The uses of this satellite is to predict cyclones from the weather patterns. November 5, 2013 and reached on the planet on September 24, 2000 research organization. Its budget is 450 crores. Okay, 450 crores and its weight is 1,350 kgs. Okay, and our India was the first Asian nation to reach on the another planet in a very low budget. This 450 crores is a very low budget compared to every nation. Any questions? So till now 3 Chandrayaan has been launched on the moon. Chandrayaan 1, 2 and 3 by the ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, which is located in the Andhra Pradesh, Nellore. So this is the lander. After having a proper safe lander, the rover is present inside this lander. After landing on the moon, the rover will come out of this lander and move on the surface of the moon and collects the particular information, data, photos and send to the ISRO. You can see these images which are till now the rover was sent to the ISRO. That is the rover. But still,
As physics also they are supposed to
After having a safe landing, this from the lander, rover will come out and it will send roam on the surface of the moon and it will send images to the
alive.
Morning, I'm from SFS High School. My name is Umayatya. Today we came for women's college for science fair. So we have understood some topics. QRSAM. It is used for aircraft. It is feet of 3,300 feet. It's kgs of 270 kilos. It launched on 13th November 2020. It launched in Chandipur, Orissa. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Harsha. I am from SFS High School, Nizamabad. Good morning. My name is Harsha. I am from SFS High School, Nizamabad. Today we came to visit Women's College. Here, total sum of the projects is about missions, satellites, and about the moon. We learned so many things about satellites and the north-south pole of the moon and everything in this exhibition. Thank you. My name is Munazza Aziz. I am from SFS High School. Today we came for Science Fair Women's College. Here we learned about ISRO and everything. Chandrayaan 3 and artificial, all that things. ASTRA, designed DRDO, weight 154, range 110, speed 4.5 and 5,500 per hertz. Thank you. myself P. Amulya. I am from BCom final year in Women's College. Today my topic is Astra. Astra అనేది సాంస్క్రిట్ వర్డ్ నుంచి తీసుకోబడింది. అస్త్ర అంటే అదొక వెపన్. ఈ అస్త్ర దేనివల్ల యూజ్ అవుతుంది అంటే మన ఇండియాని మనం ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేయడానికి డిఆర్డిఓ వాళ్ళు డెవలప్ చేసిండ్రు. డిఆర్డిఓ అంటే డిఫెన్స్ రీసెర్చ్ అండ్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ వాళ్ళు ఇండియాలో డెవలప్ చేసిండ్రు. ఇది 23 ఆగస్ట్ 2023లో గోవాలో లాంచింగ్ అయింది. అస్త్ర అనేది అడ్వాన్స్డ్ ఎయిర్ టు ఎయిర్ మిసైల్ కాబట్టి జస్ట్ హెయిర్ మీదనే డిటెక్టివ్ చేసి డిస్ట్రాయ్ చేస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ దీని వెయిట్ వచ్చేసి 154, దీని రేంజ్ వచ్చేసి 110, యావరేజ్ స్పీడ్ వచ్చేసి 5500 per hourకి 4.58 దీని స్పీడ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Mechanical engineering final year in Guru Nanak institutions. Coming to KAY, this event, KAY in association with Kalam's Institute of Youth Excellence in association with DRDL, DRDO, NRSC, ISRO, organizing Inspire India to encourage youth into space and defense. Kalam's Institute of Youth Excellence is Youth Transforming Mission. Today in Nizamabad, KAY organized exhibition expo with DRDO and ISRO models. Thank you. Students are coming from different schools and colleges, and they are enjoying a lot by seeing these models, ISRO and DRDO models.
I am CH Chandana, pursuing BSc Honours second year, Women's Degree College. The abbreviation of QRSAM is Quick Reaction Surface to Air Missile. This missile is used to detect and destroy the aircrafts and drones of the enemies within 10 seconds. Here at the last there will be a bomb. Here the signals will be detected. Here is a fuel tank. At last there will be a boosters. The fuel used in this missile is in solid state. The name of the fuel is propellant rocket motor. The weight of this missile is 270 kg. The range of this missile is 25,000 to 30,000 kilometers. The speed of this missile is 3,000 kilometers per second. The height of this missile is 33,000 feet. Thank you.
And mission to Mars. It was developed by ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. It was launched on November 5, 2013 and reached on September 24, 2014. Its weight was 1,350 kgs and the distance between Earth and Mars is 650 million kilometers, and its budget is 450 crores. It is a very least budget comparing to all the nations, and the main purpose of sending this satellite was to find the Martian atmosphere, means atmosphere of Mars, and the surface and mineral composition. They found that a methane level is present on the Mars, means microbial life can exist on Mars, and also geochemical occurrence can be held on Mars, means a volcanic occurrence can be held on Mars. It was developed by ISRO. Our India was the first Asian nation to reach on the Mars in a very least and effective budget. Thank you.
From RBURR High School. I am from 7th year. My name is Yashashvi. We today came to visit Women's College ground. Here there is one exhibition on ISRO. It is very inspiring about all the missiles and what instruments they used in ISRO. They explained us. QRSM, Astra, GSLV, MK3, SLV3, Aryabhatta, INSAT, OceanSat, GSAT, Mangalyaan, Chandrayaan 1, Chandrayaan 2, Chandrayaan 3, IRNSS, when they launched, when they reached, how they succeeded, weight, height, how many miles, speed, total they explained. Can use this in general knowledge. In our future we can use in many places. It is very inspiring. When we grow bigger, we will grow big. We can use this. We also want to become a scientist to create like this, invent like this new missiles and more. Thank you.
My name is R. Harshita and I am from RB Virar School and I came here to the Women's College to know about all the missiles, and I've learned so many things and so many missiles, and they told everything about them. Example, Akash, NAG, QRSM, Astra, GSLV, Cryo C-5, Geocyclonus Satellite Launch Vehicle, ASLV, SLVC, Aryabhatta, IRNSS, INSAT-G 3D, Ocean Sat-1, GST Sat-1, Mangalyaan, and Moon Bahaklyan, which is Chandrayaan-1. And they told so many things like its weight, lifespan, height, and everything. And I think that it will be more useful for us, and also when we'll go in higher classes, and it is also useful in our board exams. That's it.
We are from RBR High School. We are happy to come here. They explain so very well about these things, and we are well happy about the explain of lifespan and cages, speed of the things and all things. Thank you.
See some images sent by
These are the images sent by the rover.
1398. Lifespan is 2. Metals used is aluminium, titanium,
Manganese, titanium, manganese, and steel.
Any more questions? Hope you understood.
Manganese?
Steel. This is a rover. As it is landing, rover will come outside of the lander, which is also known as Pragyan. Lander is also known as Vikram. After coming, this rover will move on the surface of the moon and collect the information, data, and send it to the ISRO. ISRO is the Indian Space Research Organization located in Andhra Pradesh. So till now, rover has been sent these kind of images.
Was launched by ISRO. Okay? It was the first satellite launched for the studies of ocean. Launched on May 26, 1999. The weight of the satellite is 1050 kg. 1050 kg. The lifespan of this satellite, OceanSat-1, was 11 years. It is used for the prediction of cyclones. Okay. It is used for prediction of cyclones, marine ecosystem, to know about marine ecosystem, to know weather patterns.
INSAT 3D, INSAT part of the Indian National Satellite System. It can launched on 26th July 2013 by in the ISRO. The body weight is 2,100. It can covers the Earth surface to 36,000 kilometers. It can lifespan is 7 years only. It useful for disaster management and weathering conditions, atmospheric temperatures, agriculture and fishery.
Development Organization. The total weight of this missile 2,536 kilograms. Launched weight is 720 kilograms. The total weight of this length of this missile is 5.78. It is launched December 5th, 1990 in Chandipur, Odisha. The owner of this missile is the Armed Force. They include Indian Air Force also in 2009, Indian Army Force also in 2015. The aim of this missile is to destroy the enemy's jet, include the armies, and the missile range is 25 to 30,000 kilometers. The total speed sound time is 2.5. Thank you.
Also called as Dhruwastra. It was first launched on December 26, 2008.
It's developed by
Pokhran
DRDO.
Field Range in Rajasthan.
The abbreviation of DRDO.
First,
Defense Research and
December
Development
26,
Organization.
2008, first launched.
Defense Research
2008.
and Development Organization.
In Pokhran Field, Rajasthan.
It was first launched on December 5, 1990
Pokhran Field Range,
in
Rajasthan.
Chandipur, Odisha.
It was very successful on October 20,
Indian Armed Force.
2020. And the length of this missile is 1,832 and the weight of this missile is 42
2009 by
kg.
Indian Air Force. In
It
2015 by Indian Army.
42 kg. It contains
The
nitramine
length of the
fuel.
missile is 5.78 meters.
The main purpose of this missile is to destroy our enemy armed forces, weapons, guns and vehicles.
which fluid is present?
Nitramine.
The total launch mass of this missile is 2,536 kg. 2536. It is owned by Indian Armed Force, Indian Air Force, Indian Army.
It also contains
Owned by Indian Armed Force, Air Force and Indian Army. The range of the missile is 25 to 30,000 kilometers.
all-weather capability.
25 to 30,000 kilometers. To detect its target, it uses Rajendra radar, which tracks up to 64 targets. It travels 860 meters per second. 860 meters per second.
Propellant rocket motor. This missile is developed and launched by DRDL. On 13th November 2020. August 23. 13th November, 13th November 2023. At Chandipur, near the coast of Odisha.
It means weapon.
Good afternoon. I'm Chandana. The abbreviation of QRSAM is Quick Reaction Surface to Air Missile. Can you hear me?
A to air missile. Quick reaction.
Surface to air missile.
DRDO.
This missile is used to detect and destroy the aircrafts and drones of the enemies within 10 seconds.
It is used to
Detect
4.5.
and destroy
4.5.
within 10 seconds.
R speed 5,500.
Weight is 154 kg. Within 10 seconds.
First launched on 23 August 2008.
154.
First launched on 23 August 2023.
Yeah. The range of this missile is 25 to 30,000 kilometers.
Here are the boosters. The fuel used in this missile is in solid state. The name of the fuel is propellant rocket motor. Propellant rocket motor. This missile is developed and launched by DRDL. DL. On
It is developed by ISRO. It weighs 27.8 tons. 0.8 tons. It is 13.5 meters. And it goes with the speed of 4.4 kilometers per second. It contains fluids like liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen. 13.4. 4.4 kilometers per second. 13.5 height. It contains liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen.
Yes, it is the first satellite launched by Ocean primarily for studying oceans.
first satellite.
Yes.
For only oceans.
Yes, for studies of ocean. It was launched on 26 May 1999.
26 May.
1999. The weight of this satellite was 1050 kgs.
1050 kgs. Has applications like understanding climate changes, marine ecosystem, marine biology, which is present inside the depths of the ocean, right? You don't know what is happening inside the depths of the ocean. So marine ecosystem, marine...
Developed by ISRO in the year 1918, July 18. This India's satellite.
It is the upper stage of the GSL. From your it is developed by
Defense Research and Development Organization. It was first launched on December 5, 1990 in Chandipur, Odisha by Indian Armed Force, in 2009 by Indian Air Force, in 2015 by Indian Army. And the purpose of this missile is to destroy the enemy's jet which is heading towards the military base. And the total length of the missile is 5.78 meters and the range of the missile is 25 to 30,000 kilometers. And to detect its target, it uses Rajendra radar, which tracks up to 64 targets.
The total 97 Vikram Sara it is developed by under the vision of Vikram Sara by Abdul Kalam Garu played a crucial role to develop this. Myself, family Ishwari. I am from Ravi High School. Oh, madam, she
ఇప్పుడు నోట్ చేసుకుంటా మేడం చెప్పమనండి
Selection.
టాలెంటెడ్ పర్సన్
No, Beta. Yes, receive it. Say thank you. Appreciation is more important. Recognition and appreciation is more important.
Water, atmosphere, temperature, whether life sources are available or not.
Medal
Have a look. Have a look.
I salary 50,000
This is
starting
completely known as satellite. This is a ladder. This is a satellite
నాకు
panel.
చెప్పు కదా ఈ ఆపర్చునిటీస్ అన్ని నేను దోచేస్తా ఎవరో ఒకరు
Inside rover will be there. Inside it will be there. Make it not happen.
జాబ్ దొరకాక
Similar
పరిస్థితి
shape of the remote control
మిషన్
car. After having
మంచిగా ఉంది
safe landing on moon, rover from satellite will come out and it will roam on the surface of the moon at a particular distance and it will capture images and get information about it.
ఓకే అక్కడే ఉండు మరి ఓకే
model of Mangalyaan. It is dedicated to science.
This is ocean science.
A satellite which is particularly launched for the studying of
It was owned and manufactured by ISRO. It was launched on 26 May 1992.
Conduct static signal information and crazy technology. And its lifespan is completed. Its lifespan is nearly 70. Abdul Kalam Garu played a crucial role to develop this satellite. 46.
Thank you for Kalam Institution of Youth Excellence.
బై హార్ట్ అయిపోయింది ఏది కవర్ అయిన అవసరం లేదు కదా బికాజ్ ఐ కాంట్ వాక్ ఆల్ రైట్
power up to 46 watts. The user conduct the scientific experiments to test the technology.
Uses a solid-state solid motor for its
The lifespan of the satellite is 17 years.
after launching the rocket satellite in the lower Earth orbit.
GSLV, upper part. This is the middle part. Okay. It is developed by ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. It weighs about 27.8 tons, height 13.5 meters, and it goes with the speed of 4.4 kilometers per second. It is made up of aluminium. It contains liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen. The main purpose of C-25 is to send the satellites or place the satellites in the orbit. We contain many orbits in the space, right? So
kgs, height 33,000 feet. This was launched on 13th November 2020 at Chandipur, Odisha. Thank you.
both are drone last.
No, within 10 seconds to destroy it.
That is for what? Both are same. Vehicle ne detect చేస్తుంది.
Drones and aircrafts.
So from surface.
Yes, madam. From
just space.
yes.
Adi space lo.
It is surface to air, that is air to air.
AM aggregation reaction surface to air missile. This is used to detect and destroy the aircrafts and drones of the enemy allies. The range of these missiles is 25,000 to 30,000 kilometers. The height of these missiles is 33,000 feet. The weight of these missiles is 270 kg. This was launched on 13th November 2023.
So what about that? We are launched from India itself. No?
Yeah, this is all over India only.
All over India itself. So we are launched from. They are launched from different places.
Yeah,
right?
air to surface.
So all the things will get in this itself.
Yeah, it's a air to air mission launch.
So surface to air, that is.
Yeah.
This is air to air. What is the name of?
Astra.
Launched from? Launched from which place?
Goa.
ఉండగలుగుతామా లేదా అని తెలుసుకున్నారు కానీ దానిపైన జస్ట్ స్మాల్ కొన్ని
మైక్రో ఆర్గానిజమ్స్ అనేవి ఉంటాయి అక్కడ మెర్క్యూరీను ఏదో మెటల్ అనేది అంటే అక్కడ టెంపరేచర్లో అది ఉంది మెర్క్యూరీను సంథింగ్ ఏదో ఉంది అక్కడ జస్ట్ మైక్రో ఆర్గానిజమ్స్ అనేవి సర్వైవ్ అవ్వగలరు మనం అవ్వలేము
వి కాంట్
అది కూడా సర్టన్ మైక్రో ఆర్గానిజమ్స్
సెప్టెంబర్ 24th 2014లో అక్కడికి ల్యాండ్ అయింది మార్చ్ 2014.
Okay. This is Chandrayaan.
It landed on Mars.
Tells ka Chandrayaan. So till now ISRO has been launched overall 3 Chandrayans, Chandrayaan 1, 2 and 3.
2013లో ల్యాండ్ అయింది మాత్రం September 24, 2014.
See, North Pole is different, South Pole is different. South Pole is completely cool, North Pole is heat due to the rays of sun.
దీనికి లీస్ట్
So I don't know the exact temperature. Definitely it must be on North Pole it is minus degree Celsius because the rover was brought at night. Definitely it is minus degree Celsius. I don't know the exact
పైన ఉమెన్స్ బతకలేదని తెలిసింది ఓన్లీ సమ్ మైక్రో ఆర్గానిజమ్స్ మార్స్ పైన.
So it is launched on till now ISRO has been launched 3 Chandrayans 1, 2 and 3. Chandrayaan 1 was launched on 22nd of October 2008 and it was successful to identify the presence of water on Earth. But later on after 1 year it was predicted to be as a 2 year but after 1 year it lost the communication due to the heat and Earth's temperature. Chandrayaan 2 was not able to land properly on the moon. Chandrayaan 3 was successful out of 1 and 2. It was successful to land on the south pole of the moon, which is completely dark, and none of the country reached over there. So this is the lander, this is the signaling panel, this is the
Carry satellite. What is the difference between higher capacity, lower capacity? It laid foundation for that. That is also used for the
Rohini satellite 2, Rohini satellite 1.
carry the higher satellite. So carrying the one more satellite. This is for
Where it is launched?
Sriharikota. In which year? 2017.
Satellite height 23 meters, payload capacity 150 kg. The ASLV satellite speed on 1 hour, it is developed by the 50 kilometers. It is designed ASLV satellite successfully launched on ISRO. ASLV satellite weight is 40 tons, launched on March 24, 1992. Taken any doubts?
And the height and weight 20 satellite landed on 27.8. Height 13.5 meters.
Speed 4.4 kilometers per second.
GEO singular satellite launch vehicle. GEO singular satellite launch vehicle Mars.
Have a safe and perfect land on the moon. Okay, मेरे को ना चंद्रयान चुकाना. So, Chandrayaan, do you have an idea about Chandrayaan?
Yes.
It has been launched 128. So this is the lander, this is the rover. After landing on the moon, this rover will come out of this Chandrayaan. All the features and information have been sent by this rover. This is self-operated. Self-operated. Got it? Any questions to ask? Please, you can ask. Mental చాలా మంది.
Anjali.
Earth and the sun on an orbit called sun synchronous orbit. It helps you understand more about the climate change, weather forecasting system, and also about the marine health and marine ecosystem. It has the main function of predicting cyclones, tsunamis, and hurricanes that occur in the ocean based on the principle of understanding radioactive wave frequencies that are produced on the Earth's surface in the ocean.
The lifespan of oceans at 1 is 11 years.
After 11, the ocean weather forecasting system.
Any doubt?
Don't touch this one.
Telecommunication satellite. It was launched on February 6, 2019. The purpose of this satellite was for communication purpose.
It was launched and manufactured by ISRO on 29.
Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System. It was launched in the year of 2019. The aim of this satellite is to know about global navigations and foreign navigations also. Satellite name is IRNSS. IRNSS refers to Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System. It was developed in the year of 2018 by ISRO, Indian Satellite Research Organization. Aryabhatta satellite. It is Indian first satellite. It is launched in the year of 1975. In the month of April 19, it utilized the power of 246 watts. It generates the solar panels. The weight of the satellite is 360 kg.
Part of the GSLV. It is made up of aluminium.
Weight is 27.8 tons.
Height 13.5 meters.
అక్కడికి వెళ్ళండి, ఎక్కడ స్టాప్ అయిందో వెళ్ళండి. మొత్తం అట్లా చూసుకుంటానండి, ఫ్రంట్
This is ASLV satellite launch vehicle. India's first experimental satellite vehicle developed by ISRO in the year 1980. India became the signatory.
NEIC cryogenic 825
Upper part
27.8 tons hydrogen and oxygen 13.5
Yeah, move forward. Science move forward. It average range is 1 10. Average speed per minute is 4.5. Move forward. Average hour per hour means 5,500. Surface this is used to detect and destroy the aircraft sites. This was launched by DRDO on 13th November 2018 in Chandigarh, Odisha. Smoke pressure 45 times.
పెన్ను బుక్ ఏం తెచ్చుకున్నా?
సెక్రటరీ ఉమెన్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ సొసైటీ ఇక్కడ మా గ్రౌండ్లో ట్రెస్మా వాళ్ళు మరియు మహేందర్ రెడ్డి గారు మరియు సర్లా మహేందర్ రెడ్డి గారి సహకారంతో ఇన్స్పైర్ ఇండియా అబ్దుల్ కలాం గారి ఫౌండేషన్ దీంతో మేము ఈ డిఆర్డిఓ అండ్ మన డిఆర్డిఓ మరియు స్పేస్ దీని గురించి ర్యాకెట్స్ మరి మిషన్స్ ఇవన్నీ తెలుసుకోవడానికి స్కూల్ వాళ్ళకు స్టూడెంట్స్కు చిన్నపిల్లలకు శాస్త్రవేత్తల గురించి మరియు ర్యాకెట్స్ గురించి మిసైల్స్ గురించి తెలుసుకోవడానికి అవకాశం దొరికింది. వాళ్ళకందరికీ మా ధన్యవాదాలు టెస్మా వారికిను మరియు దీనికి సహకరించిన స్కూల్ యాజమాన్యాలకు మా కృతజ్ఞత.
దేశవ్యాప్తంగా ప్రతి స్టూడెంట్కి రీచ్ కావాలన్న ఉద్దేశంగా మన డిఆర్డిఎల్ మాజీ చైర్మన్ గారు శ్రీ సతీష్ రెడ్డి గారి యొక్క ఆలోచనతో ఉద్భవించిన ఈ యొక్క ఇన్స్పైర్ ఇండియా ప్రోగ్రామ్ అబ్దుల్ కలాం మిషన్లో దానిలో భాగంగా తెలంగాణలో 100 రోజుల ప్రోగ్రామ్ని ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. పాత 10 డిస్ట్రిక్ట్లను తీసుకొని ఒక్కో డిస్ట్రిక్ట్కి 10 రోజుల అలాట్మెంట్ ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. సో దాంట్లో భాగంగా నిజామాబాద్లో ఈరోజు మన ఉమెన్స్ కాలేజ్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ వారి సహకారంతో ఇక్కడ మనము ఏర్పాటు చేయడం జరిగింది. వారి సహకారంతో ఇది విజయవంతం గావించడం అయిందని భావిస్తున్నా. బికాజ్ ఒక 50-100 స్కూల్స్ అయితే విజిట్ చేసినాయి. సో వారి పంపించి చూపించడానికి అవకాశం కల్పించిన యాజమాన్యాలకు కూడా మా తరఫున మరి ట్రస్ట్ మా తరఫున హృదయపూర్వక కృతజ్ఞతలు
మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. అబ్దుల్ కలాం యూత్ ఎక్సలెన్సీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ మా కాలేజీలో ఈ ప్రోగ్రాం జరపబడింది. సో ఈ ప్రోగ్రాంకి ఏంటంటే ముఖ్యంగా ఇంతకుముందు ఉన్న చైర్మన్ సతీష్ రెడ్డి గారి ఆధ్వర్యంలో అతడి సహకారంతో ఇంకా రవి పబ్లిక్ స్కూల్ మేడం, తర్వాత మహేందర్ రెడ్డి గారు, ముఖ్యంగా మా మేనేజ్మెంట్ వారి సహకారంతో మేము ఈ ప్రోగ్రాం ఇక్కడ నిర్వహించడం జరిగింది. ట్రస్మా వారు కూడా వారి సహకారంతో కూడా. సో వీరందరి సహకారంతో ఇంత పెద్ద ప్రోగ్రామ్ని చాలా ఏ ఆటంకం లేకుండా మేము ఇక్కడ చేసాం ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ని. సో ఈ ప్రోగ్రాంలో ఏంటంటే మెయిన్ స్టూడెంట్స్కి చాలా ఉపయోగపడే ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఇది. మిజైల్స్, శాటిలైట్స్ అంటే ఏంటి, మిజైల్స్ అంటే ఏంటి, ఎట్లా ఉపయోగిస్తారు, ఏంటి అవి కొంతమంది ఫస్ట్ టైం అనుకుంటారు చూడడం కూడా ఇట్లాంటివన్నీ కూడా. సో ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఇక్కడ పిల్లలకు పిల్లలందరినీ ఆకర్షించింది. దగ్గర 4,000-5,000 మంది ఈ 2 రోజులు సందర్శించడం జరిగింది. ప్రతి స్కూల్ నుంచి కూడా మ్యాక్సిమం అన్ని స్కూల్స్ కవర్ చేశారు. అన్ని స్కూల్స్ నుంచి కూడా వచ్చారు. 8th, 9th, 10th కాదు, చిన్నపిల్లలు కూడా వచ్చారు. సో వాళ్ళందరికీ ఇది చాలా ఉపయోగపడి మంచి ఎడ్యుకేటెడ్ అయ్యేటట్టు, అంటే తెలుసుకోవడం అసలు స్పేస్ ఏంటి, ఆ స్పేస్ ఇవన్నీ ఎట్లా ఉపయోగిస్తారు, అసలు ఏంటి రాకెట్స్ ఏంటి, మిజైల్స్ ఏంటి, శాటిలైట్స్ ఏంటి, ఇవన్నీ కూడా తెలుసుకో. ఇంకొకటి ఏంటంటే పిల్లలందరూ కూడా ఎంతో ఉత్సాహంగా అసలు అడగడము, బుక్స్ తెచ్చుకొని పెన్స్ తీసుకొని వచ్చి వాళ్ళను ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ చేయించుకొని రాసుకుంటున్నారు నోట్స్ వాళ్ళంతా కూడా. సో మాకు మాకేమనిపించిందంటే సరే ఇంత మంచి ప్రోగ్రామ్ సక్సెస్ అయ్యింది. పిల్లలకి ఇది అంటే పిల్లల మనసులో ఒక విధమైన అంటే అసలు ఈ స్పేస్ ఇవన్నీ కూడా వాళ్ళకు మేము దగ్గరకు అంటే కొంతమంది శ్రీహరికోటకు వెళ్ళలేకపోయి అక్కడ చూడలేని వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా ఇవన్నీ చూసి ఆనందించడం జరిగింది. సో ముఖ్యంగా వీళ్ళందరికీ మా మేనేజ్మెంట్ వాళ్ళకి నేను మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలుపుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఈరోజు విమెన్స్ కాలేజ్ సొసైటీ ట్రస్మా సంయుక్తంగా నిర్వహించినటువంటి ఇన్స్పైర్ కార్యక్రమం ముగింపు రోజు. సో ఈ కార్యక్రమంలో సుమారుగా ఒక 10,000 మంది విద్యార్థులు ఇవాళ పూర్తిగా ఈ మిజైల్స్, శాటిలైట్స్ అని ఏవైతే ఇస్రో వాళ్ళు మనం లాంచింగ్ చేస్తున్నారో అవన్నీ మోడల్స్ ఇక్కడ పెట్టి పిల్లల్ని ఇన్స్పైర్ చేయడం జరిగింది. అబ్దుల్ కలాం ఆశయాలకి అనుగుణంగా ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని కలాం మిషన్ వాళ్ళు ఏర్పాటు చేయడం జరిగింది. ఆయన ఆలోచన విధానాన్ని పిల్లల్లో మరి ప్రతిబింపజేయడానికి, సైంటిస్టులుగా వాళ్ళలో ఆలోచన క్రియేట్ చేయడానికి ఏర్పాటు చేసిన ఈ ప్రదర్శన చాలా బాగుంది. పిల్లలు చాలా ఆసక్తిగా తిలకించారు. సో ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని ఏర్పాటు చేసినటువంటి కలాం మిషన్ గారికి, ముఖ్యంగా డాక్టర్ సతీష్ రెడ్డి గారికి, సో అట్లాగే ఉమెన్స్ కాలేజ్ సొసైటీకి, ముఖ్యంగా మా సోదరిమణి సరళ మహేందర్ రెడ్డి గారు చాలా కష్టపడి ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ని ఒక స్థాయికి తీసుకొచ్చి పిల్లలందరికీ ఉపయోగపడేట్టుగా చేశారు. వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా ప్రత్యేకంగా కృతజ్ఞతలు. రేపటి నుంచి మళ్ళీ మండలాల్లో ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని నిర్వహిస్తున్నాం. రేపు చందూరులో, తర్వాత సోమవారం నాడు నందిపేటలో, తర్వాత ఆదివారం నాడు ధర్మారంలో ఈ కార్యక్రమాలు ఉంటాయి. ఇదే ఎగ్జిబిషన్ అక్కడ ఉంటుంది. ఆయా ప్రాంతాల్లో ఉన్నటువంటి మరి పాఠశాల ప్రతినిధులు పిల్లల్ని తీసుకొని వచ్చి చక్కటి కార్యక్రమానికి మరి వాళ్ళని ఇన్స్పైర్ చేయడానికి బాగుంటుందని చెప్తూ అందరికి కూడా మరొకసారి నమస్కారం. అందరికీ కృతజ్ఞతలు.
వెయిట్ వచ్చేసి 2,536 కిలోగ్రామ్స్ ఉంటుంది. లాంచ్ వెయిట్ వచ్చేసి 720 కిలోగ్రామ్స్. లెంత్ ఏమో 5